Did you know that over 50% of auto employees say they'd stay longer if they got more training? Professional development isn't just a perk, it's a powerful retention tool. Let's explore how smart dealerships are turning training into performance and loyalty. First up, soft skills. Sales success isn't just about knowing the product, it's also about making a connection. Workshops that focus on communication, empathy, and active listening have been shown to improve customer retention by 25%. Second, let's talk about hard skills and how digital training makes them accessible. With e-learning platforms, your team can train anytime, anywhere. Add incentives like bonuses or certificates, and allow time during work hours to complete training for maximum impact. Third, bring in AI-powered training support. Tools like ChatGPT act as on-demand tutors, ready 24/7 to explain complex terms, assist with product knowledge, and walk your team through sales objections in real time. But AI support doesn't stop there. Platforms like Glow3D take it even further with two powerful tools. The Dealer Sales Coach gives reps personalized, performance-based feedback. The Social Video tool helps them practice real conversations, building confidence, clarity, and connection on camera. These tools empower your team to learn faster, communicate better, and sell smarter. And the last tip, don't just train, track. Use quarterly reviews and KPIs to ensure learning aligns with your dealership's performance goals. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please help us keep going by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it, and hitting that subscribe button. Glow3D.com.